garlic, chicken liver, bell pepper, stir fry casserole. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the chicken recipes and one of the most unique of the easy chicken recipes and one of the most delicious of the chicken casserole recipes and one of the most unique of the chicken recipes and one of the most different of the garlic recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the bell pepper recipes and one of the most unique of the pepper casserole recipes and one of the most delicious of the capsicum recipes. Today we're going to make garlic, chicken liver, bell pepper casserole. Around 250 grams of chicken liver, cleaned thoroughly. The next ingredient is around 150 grams of bell pepper or red capsicum, cut into thin long pieces. The next ingredients are around 40 cloves of garlic, 1 onion cut into pieces, 15 grams of ginger, and 1 tomato cut into pieces. Heat the pan and put in 15 grams of ghee or clarified butter. Let it melt. Put in the onion pieces. Salt. Marinate. You can saute. Thoroughly saute mix. Put in the garlic piece. Sauce the garlic piece. ginger, put in salt taste, salt, salt thoroughly, keep on salting. Thoroughly salt and mix. Put in the tomato pieces. Salt thoroughly. Salt taste, salt thoroughly. Now put in the bell pepper, capsicum, chop the bell pepper or capsicum. Put in a spoon of mixture spices, will be sauteing. Half a spoon of black pepper powder. Mix put in the chicken liver pieces. Saute and mix that in. That is mix. Close and let the mixture cook in high heat for 15 minutes. Put in some curry leaves, salt, and mix. Now the garlic, chicken liver, bell pepper, stir fry casserole is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final garlic, chicken liver, bell pepper, stir fry casserole. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the stir fry recipes and one of the most unique of the easy chicken recipes and one of the most delicious of the chicken liver recipes and one of the most unique of the bell pepper recipes and one of the most delicious of the capsicum recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the garlic recipes and one of the most delicious of the chicken casserole recipes. Like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.